Hi everybody, this is Selwyn here. Today I'm going to introduce to you a brand new concept in a tweezer called the D-Master Soft Tip Tweezer. This is a high quality item made in Japan with stainless steel handles and ESD elastomer tips, which are made from a soft material that has really good grip. So this tweezer is suitable for diamonds and gemstones up to 3 carats. It has soft grip in the tips, which obviously won't cause any damage, and therefore you won't lose any of your stones the way you normally do. The ESD tips are anti-static and suitable also for watch parts, and also can be used with watch crystals, because obviously these soft tips won't scratch your crystals. The tweezer can be used with any of our optical items like our loops, and also for any of your watchmaking requirements.